I am Hatan. I greet you, my friends, in the love and in the light of our infinite Creator. It is a great privilege to be with you this evening. I and my sisters and brothers of Hatan, though far by your standards, are quite near by our standards to you at this time. We watch over you, and it is with pleasure that we pursue our service to you. I would simply like not to let the opportunity pass to remind you, my friends, of the unity of all things. Meditate, my friends, upon the complete unity of yourself and all that you see. Do this not once, and not simply in present circumstances, but at all times, and especially in difficult circumstances. For, my friends, insofar as you love and feel at one with those things which are difficult for you, to that extent will those circumstances be alleviated. This is not due to any laws within our physical illusion, but is due to the law of love. For that body which is of spirit, which is interpenetrated with the physical body, is higher than your physical body. And those changes which you make by love upon your spiritual body will of necessity reflect themselves within the physical illusion. All is one, my friends. My voice is now the voice of this instrument. My thoughts are her thoughts. Please believe, my friends, that the vibration we offer you is not a vibration of personality, but is a vibration of the Creator. We are also channels. There is only one voice. Within this vibration, we are self-consciously aware that this voice is the voice of the Creator. It is simply a matter of lifting vibrations which are not so self-aware of the Creator. That too is spiritual vibration, and all things will eventually come into harmony in relation to your understanding. Even if the universe for those around you remains disharmonious and difficult, if your mind is stayed upon the unity of the Creator, your own universe will become harmonious. And this is not by your doing, but by the simple love of the Creator. Meditate upon this, my friends. It is not an easy lesson, and it will require a great deal of meditation. before the practice is as easy as the intellectual acceptance. All is one. Praise be our one infinite Creator. We thank you, one infinite Creator, for your love. We thank you, one infinite Creator, for your light. All is one.